If you've been following this series, we've now built almost every major part of a complete marketing system. We've created our sales funnel, we've built our landing page, we've set up email marketing, we've automated our marketing, we've organized our contacts inside a CRM, we've built an appointment booking system, and in the last video, we automated our follow-up process. Now there's one final piece that many businesses completely overlook: reviews. Think about the last time you searched for a plumber, a restaurant, a dentist, or even a software company. Did you simply choose the first business you saw? Probably not. You looked at the reviews. You looked at how many people had used the business before. You looked at the star rating, and you probably read a few customer experiences before making your decision. That's exactly what your potential customers are doing as well. Every review you receive acts as proof that real people have trusted your business. The more positive reviews you have, the easier it becomes for future customers to trust you too. But here's where many businesses make a mistake. They assume customers will naturally leave reviews after receiving a great service. Unfortunately, that rarely happens. Most customers are happy to leave a review. They simply forget. They're busy. Life gets in the way. And before long, your excellent service has been forgotten. That's why successful businesses don't rely on memory. They build a system. Instead of hoping customers remember to leave a review, they automatically remind them at exactly the right time. That's what we're going to build in this lesson. By the end of this video, you'll understand why reviews are so important, when you should ask for them, and how to automate the entire process inside GoHighLevel, so every happy customer has the opportunity to leave a review automatically. Let's get started. The first thing to understand is that Google reviews aren't just about collecting 5-star ratings. They influence how people perceive your business before they ever contact you. Imagine two businesses offering exactly the same service. One has 6 reviews, the other has over 300 reviews with an average rating of 4.9 stars. Which business feels more trustworthy? For most people, the answer is obvious. Reviews create confidence. They reduce uncertainty. They help customers feel more comfortable choosing you over your competitors. They can also improve your visibility in local search, making it easier for people to discover your business in the first place. This emphasis on reviews improving trust, visibility, and customer confidence is consistent across the top performing videos in your research. The question isn't whether reviews matter. The question is how to generate them consistently. And that starts with timing. The timing of your review request can make all the difference. If you ask too early, your customer may not have experienced enough value yet. If you wait too long, they may have forgotten about you altogether. The best time to ask for a review is immediately after you've delivered a positive experience. For some businesses, that might be after completing a job. For others, it could be after a successful appointment, a completed project, or once a customer has received their order. The key is to ask while the experience is still fresh in their mind. Another common mistake businesses make is making the process too difficult. Imagine receiving an email asking you to leave a review, but first you have to search for the business on Google, find the correct listing, sign in, and then finally write your review. Most people simply won't bother. The easier you make the process, the more reviews you'll receive. That's why you should always provide a direct link to your Google review page. Instead of asking customers to search for your business, send them straight to the review form. Some businesses also place QR codes on invoices, receipts, business cards, or even inside their premises, allowing customers to scan the code with their phone and leave a review within seconds. Small changes like these remove friction and significantly increase the chances of someone actually completing the review. Now let's build a simple review request automation inside GoHighLevel. Just like the workflows we've built throughout this series, we'll begin by creating a brand new workflow. This workflow has one simple purpose. Whenever a customer reaches the point where you've successfully delivered your service, the workflow automatically sends a review request. Exactly how you trigger this workflow will depend on your business. You might trigger it when an appointment is marked as completed. You might trigger it when a customer is moved into a completed stage inside your CRM, or perhaps after an order has been fulfilled. The important thing is that the automation starts only after the customer has had a positive experience with your business. Once the trigger is in place, we'll add our first action. We'll send an SMS thanking the customer for choosing our business. Keep the message short, friendly, and personal. For example, "Hi John, thank you for choosing us today. We hope you had a great experience. We'd really appreciate it if you could spare a minute to leave us a Google review using the link below." Then simply include your Google review link. That's all they need. Next, we'll add an email. Some customers respond better to text messages. Others prefer email. By using both, you're giving yourself the best chance of reaching them. Again, keep the email simple. Thank them for their business. Explain that their feedback helps other customers make informed decisions. Then include a clear call to action button, linking directly to your Google review page. One thing that's important to understand is that you should never ask specifically for a 5-star review. Instead, invite customers to leave an honest review based on their experience. Authentic feedback builds trust, protects your reputation, and follows Google's guidelines. After sending the initial request, we can also build one gentle reminder. Many customers genuinely intend to leave a review but simply forget. By adding a delay of 3 or 4 days before sending a final reminder, you'll often receive additional reviews without being intrusive. Keep the reminder polite. If they still don't leave a review after that, simply end the workflow. You don't want customers to feel like they're being chased. Now let's zoom out and look at the complete customer journey we've built throughout this series. Someone discovers your business. They visit your landing page, they submit their details, they're added to your CRM. They receive automated emails, they book an appointment, they receive reminders, they receive follow-up communication. And once you've successfully delivered your service, they're automatically invited to leave a review. Every customer experiences the same professional journey. Nothing gets forgotten, nothing depends on memory, and your reputation continues to grow automatically over time. There's one final habit that separates great businesses from average ones. Respond to every review you receive. When someone leaves positive feedback, thank them. When someone leaves constructive criticism, reply professionally and show that you're willing to improve. Future customers often read your responses just as much as they read the reviews themselves. By engaging with your customers, you're demonstrating that you genuinely care about the people you serve. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Google reviews build trust. They help potential customers feel confident choosing your business. The best time to ask for a review is immediately after delivering a positive experience. Making the process as simple as possible dramatically increases the number of reviews you'll receive. And by automating your review request inside GoHighLevel, every satisfied customer receives the same consistent experience without creating extra work for you. We've now built another important part of our complete marketing system. We've created a sales funnel, we've built a landing page, we've set up email marketing, we've automated our marketing, we've organized our contacts inside a CRM, we've built an appointment booking system, we've automated our follow-up process, and now we've built a system for consistently generating Google reviews. But there's still one important question we haven't answered. Why would someone give you their email address in the first place? Before anyone enters your marketing system, you need to offer them something valuable in return. That's exactly what we'll be building in the next lesson. I'll show you how to create a lead magnet that attracts your ideal customers, provides genuine value, and gives people a compelling reason to join your marketing funnel. I'll see you in the next video.